right, so this one is super helpful if you've got a huge spreadsheet and you're really just trying to extract like a summary of some elements of the big sheet, or if you're trying to do like a summary table. We can do that, and we can kind of search and grab and sum in one function called COUNTIF. So I've got a list of all of the EV charging stations in Colorado, and I really only want to know how many are in a particular specific zip code. So if I go to a separate sheet called COUNTIF, and that's the function we're going to use, I'm going to go to A1. Actually, I'm going to type in the zip code that I want just so that I know that that's what it is. And I'm going to go to B1. And in here, I'm going to type an equal sign count if, right? And so it prompts us like usual for the range. So in this case, I'm going to do COEV stations, exclamation point, and I'm going to search that whole table, right? And I know that that's 1977 rows. All right, so we've got our range set up. Then I'm going to put a comma, and now it's going to prompt us for the criteria that I'm looking for. So in this case, I'm going to put the quotation marks to indicate what I'm about to search for, and it'll be 81631 in quotations, and then in parentheses. So basically what we said is for that spreadsheet, that whole big range, go in and tell me specifically how many times the zip code 81631 shows up. So we do enter, and I counted 13. So that's how we use COUNTIF.